Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you join me just off of the seafront here in Stud Hill in Herne Bay, taking a look at number 23B Austin Avenue. Now this is a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow here in Austin Avenue in Stud Hill, giving you a beautiful modern finish throughout. The property, having only been built in 2010, gives you good proportions and of course that beautiful modern finish, with of course plenty of added extras since the new owner has taken ownership of the property. So coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space, on the right hand side you've got that lovely big cupboard unit that of course we can take a look at if you come and take a look at the property in person. Plenty of storage there. Straight ahead of us we've got the main family shower room. You can see of course that lovely big double shower unit straight ahead of us with the loo and sink to the right. To the front of the property we've got a beautiful double-sized room, this time just overlooking the front of the property. Plenty of space there on the left for the wardrobes, plenty of space for chest of drawers as well, and of course for the double bed. Coming back down the hallway, we're going to take a right hand turn and go through into bedroom number 2. Of course this size room, again a little bit smaller than the one at the front. Perfect space either as a single bedroom or perhaps as a dressing room or study, depending on how you want to lay the property out, but as a single bedroom you're absolutely fine. Coming through into the kitchen area, you can see a beautiful modern finish, full range of fitted appliances here with the fridge, freezer and the gas hob, electric oven and dishwasher there as well, and of course you've got the washing machine under counter too. Coming through into the open plan lounge and dining space here to the rear of the property, the owner has added the wood burning stove here, so a very cosy addition to the property. Lots and lots of light coming through from the windows there to the front and to the rear, and of course the French door access out into the back garden, which is where we're heading through to next. Now with this space here you can see plenty of room here for the dining room table, nicely positioned there just in front of the French doors. So we're going to go into the back garden now and take a look at this beautiful low maintenance space, and this really has been maximised. You've got of course that fantastic workshop and shed area there, works perfectly as a summer bar space in of course the warmer months, and then of course in the winter provides a cozy space for you to enjoy with friends and family. So really does provide everything from storage to a little bit of an entertainment value as well. So I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at this 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow with us today in Stud Hill. You're located only a few short moments away from the seafront, and the property itself, having only been built in 2010, offers you a fantastic easy option. Again, I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.